Hi everyone, this is Joe from adoBtion. A lot of what I've been hearing lately is people wanting to know how to just purchase Bitcoin. So I figured I would give a tutorial on the easiest way to purchase Bitcoin right now. Now keep in mind, this is the easiest way to purchase Bitcoin, but it isn't the most secure way to store your Bitcoin. So stay tuned for following episodes that'll be coming out where I'll give you tutorials on how to properly store your Bitcoin and how to send your Bitcoin. But no matter what, the tutorial that we'll be going through today is arguably the easiest way to just purchase Bitcoin now. In today's tutorial, we'll be going over how to purchase Bitcoin with the CashApp. Stay tuned. Okay, great. So as I said, CashApp is one of the easiest ways to purchase Bitcoin today. For those of you that don't know, CashApp is owned by Square. The CEO is Jack Dorsey, who's also the CEO of Twitter. So this app is actually very legitimate. And I think they actually got FDIC insurance not too long ago. So picture CashApp like a Venmo, except it's your own. You could also use it as like a savings account. You can get a cash card that gives you rewards when you spend your money, your cash money. You can get boosters for spending money at things like coffee shops. You get like $1 back and rewards like that. So I'll go over a tutorial on how to purchase Bitcoin through the Cash App, but definitely explore the application on your own because there's a lot of useful tools that you can use other than Bitcoin. Okay, great. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I'm going through this video, I've already set up my Cash account. And I've also already gone through the process and steps of verifying the Bitcoin portion of the Cash App. So just keep a friendly reminder that when you download the Cash App, you'll have to go in, create an account, link your debit card, and then you'll have to click on the Bitcoin icon from the bottom left menu that you'll see, and just validate that you agree to use Bitcoin in the right way. And I think you have to just also validate with a driver's license too, potentially. But that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Okay, great. Hello, everyone. And now we're going to walk through the steps to actually purchase Bitcoin with the Cash App. Again, this is the most convenient way to purchase Bitcoin right now. So first, you're going to want to download the Cash App from either the Apple Store or from your Play Store with your Android. And then once the app is downloaded, you can go ahead and click into it. And from here, you'll see my standard Cash App homepage. For those of you that aren't familiar with Cash App, it's actually I believe it's an FDIC insured application now. So it's just like Venmo. The owner of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, actually owns Square, which is the company that owns Cash App. So it is a legitimate application, and you can actually use it other than Bitcoin. But for today's conversation, we're just going to be walking you through how to use Bitcoin. Okay, so again, this is the standard homepage that you'll come up to. Now, what you'll want to do is down at the bottom, you'll see right in the center there is the $sign. If you click to the right of that, you'll see now we have the ability to purchase stocks and Bitcoin through the Cash App. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply purchase Bitcoin by clicking buy. And then from there, I will select the amount. And in this case, I'll select $10. And then I'll select next. And you'll see a confirmation page. You'll see confirming the purchase of $10. I'm using my Cash App balance, but with Cash App, if you link a debit card, you can purchase this with your debit card. And you'll see the amount there that I'm receiving in Bitcoin is 0.00143096 Bitcoin. So if you remember, Bitcoin can be broken down 100 millionth decimal places. So you can purchase fractions of a Bitcoin. If you want, you could even purchase a penny worth of Bitcoin. But in this case, I'm going to purchase $10 worth of Bitcoin, which equals 0.0014 Bitcoin. And then I'm going to click confirm. And then I'm going to input my Cash App code. And you see, there we go. I purchased, now I have my Bitcoin. And that's it. And if you want to navigate to actually view your crypto, you would go to the bottom all the way left there. There's a home button. and ignore my routing and account number. And if you click Bitcoin, you'll see your balance for Bitcoin. Now, in future videos, I'll go over deposits and withdrawals with you, but this is a good way to just get onboarded to first start purchasing crypto. Look out for the upcoming videos on how to send this stuff, because if you get one digit wrong or something like that, you're going to mess it up and you're going to lose funds. But this is a good way to just get involved. If you're wondering how to purchase Bitcoin today, this is the easiest way to do it. All right, great. And I guess let me walk you through selling. So, let's just say you decided you're holding Bitcoin on the Cash App and you want to sell it back. All you would do is navigate again back to this chart page to the right of the $sign. You would click sell. And from there you would sell. I'm going to decide to sell all. Click next. And then you see the confirmation again. So I am selling $9.77 worth of Bitcoin. And you'll see total proceeds at the bottom there. I'm receiving $9.48. That's just because of the fees that Cash App charges you. I'll confirm the sale, input my code. And I just sold 0.00143 of Bitcoin. Great. So that's our tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for upcoming tutorials.